This is demonstration video of Gosh LinkFone app and the BLE gadget LinkFone. Here, this is the app, and this one here is the LinkFone gadget to go with the app. And this gadget is a feature phone. Main feature is to provide a second SIM card to iPhone. As mentioned, three functions. First is phone call and short message. The second is anti-lost alarm. Third is the remote camera shutter. And in this video, it will be demonstration the two parts here. First is the phone call and short message on iPhone, especially the ringtone selection, the default and the customized ringtone. And either the app is running foreground or background. The other part is the anti-lost alarm. Also, either the app is running foreground or background. Here we go. Here is the LinkFone gadget. As you can see, it has a SIM card slot here, in which you can insert a micro SIM card inside. This is the micro USB port for charging. And this button is power on, power off. This button here is the multi-function button, which is also for remote camera shutter. Okay, to make it work, first you insert the SIM card, and then you long press this button to power the gadget on. For about 2 seconds, you can see the red and the green LED flashing. Then you open the app, go to binding device, and the app will search the nearby devices. This one, you click to make the collection, input the password. Once it's collected, you will hear a beep sound from the gadget, and also here you can see the carrier's name and the singular strings changed here, which means the SIM card is registered and now it can work for phone call and short message. Now we will go to the first part, is phone call and short message demonstration, ringtone select. Once it's collected, you can go to the settings. You can go to the settings, sounds here, in which you will find the rings, which means you can select the ringtone for incoming call and short message. And these two is the default ring for incoming call. And this one, the bubble here, is for short message. Okay. First, we will see how it goes when there is a phone call and a short message with the app running foreground. This is the other phone here. We will try to call the SIM card here. It's calling. As you can see, the default ringtone will be playing, and here the UI will change to the incoming call UI. You can either reject, decline, or answer it by pressing these two buttons. We will decline. This is how the default incoming ringtone when the app is running foreground. As for short message, here we will try to send message. We will send 01. Okay, send. You can hear the default bubble sound for short message, and here you get the 01 short message. Okay, this is how the ringtone works when the app is running foreground. We will see how it goes when the app is running background. Lock the screen. We will call again. Okay, you can hear the default incoming call ringtone and also the notification here, right? So you can unlock your phone, open the app, and you can decline or answer it. Okay, we'll see the short message when the app is running background. Turn it on, power it. Send message 02. Send. You can hear the bubble sound as the default short message ringtone and the notification here. You can unlock your iPhone, open the app to check the message 02. Okay, this is the default ringtone when the app is running foreground or background. Now we will see how the customized ringtone goes. You open the app, go to Settings, Sounds. Here you can select your customized ringtone for incoming call. The app supports users to choose songs from the iPhone's music pool or music library. For example, here I select this one, the UGH from 1975. Once you press it, it will play for you to check, and you can click cancel to make the selection, and now you see the incoming ring is UGH. As for short message ring, it's the same. You go to iTunes, playlist, new adding, and here I will select A Heart Full of Dreams from Coldplay. Click to try listen. Click cancel to make the selection, and now the short message is A Heart Full of Dreams. Okay, now you have made your customized ringtone. We will see how the phone call and short message. We will see how the phone call and short message when the app is running foreground and background. Foreground. Now we will make the call here. As you can see, the incoming call UI and the selected ringtone is playing. You can either end or answer it. Okay. As for a short message, we will send 03. Okay. Okay, now comes the customized ringtone for short message, right? A heart full of stars. You can go to message to make it stop playing, and you can check the 03 here. Okay, now we'll see how the phone call and the short message goes when the app is working background. Back to home. Turn off the screen. Then we'll try to call again. Okay, here you can hear the customized ringtone and the notification. Unlock, open, answer or decline. You can answer it here, and then we end it. Okay, this is the customized ringtone for incoming call. We'll see short message ringtone. We will send 04. Okay, here comes the customized ringtone for short message, right? And unlock, click, open to make it stop ringing. The playing duration for the customized ringtone for incoming call is about 52 seconds, and for short message is if you don't check it instantly, it will play the song one time and then it will stop. Okay, here is the part 1 for phone call and short message demonstration with default and customized ringtone. The second part is the anti-lost alarm. To demonstrate it, make sure that once it's collected, right, you go to settings, more, and turn these 2 buttons on. LinkFone, lost alarm, you have to turn it on, and device lost alarm, also turn it on. And here is the alarm duration. This is for the get BLE gadget, the beeping sound duration here, not for iPhone. Okay, when the app is running foreground, I will demonstrate by turn off my iPhone's Bluetooth. Okay, turn off, you can hear the default alarm sound 4 times, right? And then there comes the beeping sound from the BLE gadget. I will turn Bluetooth on, it will auto recollect here. Okay, this is how the anti-loss alarm when the app is running foreground. We will see how it goes when the app is running background. Okay, also by turning off my iPhone's Bluetooth. Turn off. Here is the notification device not collect with the alarm sound from both iPhone and BLE gadget. You will turn it on to auto recollect. Okay, here are the demonstration for anti-loss alarm. Bye bye.